So it's the next morning. We slept horribly. I feel sick. It sucks. We have a packed week, so maybe I'll nap today. Hopefully. This is breakfast. I'm also not in the mood for sweet things at all, but it's the only option.
And the weather is not too good either, so.
Life is good. Woohoo! This is just the cutest, most hipster hostel ever. And I just wanted to point that out. This is the street outside. We all have these balconies. So cute. Love it. We're going on a walking tour of the city. It's 2 hours long. You just go around Cusco and they tell you about like little historical.
Hopefully there'll be enough people to be able to go up to the White Christ statue.
There you go. There you have it, folks. White Christ statue. This is the San Blas market. It's pretty cool. Peru is so vegan friendly. They're so it's so good. We just ordered vegan falafel. Went to a vegan restaurant yesterday, or they had vegan stuff. There's a whole vegan restaurant here. It's so good. It's so good. It's our falafel in the making. I'm super excited, super hungry. It smells great.
It looks yummy.
It looks yummy, yummy, yummy. We're nearing the end of our walking tour. This great outlook. So we thought our tour was almost over, but then turns out we're at this restaurant and they're getting us free drinks, but it's just like hot and 3 p.m. and there's just no...
We're gonna get like a tiny shot of like a week.
Yeah.
Dunno.
But we're gonna go home and nap.
Let's go.
We just bought dinner.
We did. That is the dinner. Just water. We're living on a diet of water now.
Yes, when you do a lot of hiking, it's good to drink water, but not just water. Just water. What does that even mean? Anyways, we bought some sandwiches to make tonight because we have
a mango.
And a mango. And then also it's gonna be the same lunch tomorrow. Our Machu Picchu lunch. Here we have dinner of sweet bread, mustard, onion, tomato, chips, peanuts. That's probably it. It's a pretty nice spread. Our nice napkins. Cheese. Yep. All good. I wanted to document how beautiful and juicy this mango is. And here we have some frog eggs. That's disgusting. Yum.
Okay. Pretzels and peanuts.
Peanut
with peanut butter.
How
Peanut
innovative.
squared.
You're dipping it in its own content.
and its own juices. This is happening right now.
It's a precarious
You're
process.
escaping right there.
Going to Machu Picchu.
Yay!
Bye, Cusco. Bye, Cusco. Actually, we'll still be in Cusco. Here we have some cute cultural
It
hats.
looks slightly creepy, the eyes.
They're quite creepy.
Also very fashionable though.
Our first stop of the drive. We have like 6 hours left.
Yay!
And it's very crowded, not very comfortable. I'm so hot. I was sitting in the corner with my shirt off for the first hour.
She was.
It's a little minibus.
She feels car sick, so
5 times.
it's just great. Second stop of the day. How much time do we have left?
I think still a few hours. Yay!
Once we get there in a few hours, then we have to walk on the train tracks from Hidroelectrica to Aguas Calientes.
But at least we can drink then, because now we got.
Yeah, there's no bathroom on the bus, and so we're like not drinking, not doing anything, just sitting cramped up. We are off. We have 2.5 hours of walking. We're working with not too shabby, not too shabby.
Not too shabby at all.
Nuh-uh. So you have to walk to Aguas Calientes because is there no road?
No, it's a train. A train that goes there.
Okay, there's a train that goes there, but we're walking along the train tracks instead. So basically,
Also because the train is very expensive, right?
Train.
we are the train. And yes, the train is. I don't know if it's expensive. Maybe kind of.
So.
Maybe it's a little
I don't think
expensive.
I don't think, but it just costs money.
It costs money, and feet are cheaper. So, yeah, we're walking the train route because you can't take a bus or anything into the city because it's this tiny little city right near Machu Picchu. Actually, no, it's like 3 hours away, but
Is it? No.
isn't that?
It's like right.
I want to jump in this river. It looks so nice. Here are the train tracks. We're just walking along them, minding our own business. We got another 2 hours and 15 minutes.
So we're walking across the train track. We could be walking right there, but we chose this route. If the train comes right now, we're pretty screwed.
Scariest thing I've done.
Yeah, me too. Because I was like, oh.
I just had my most terrifying experience in a while. We were walking across these train tracks and they were like 1 or 2 feet apart each. And
I was like, what are you talking about? But the thing we just did.
what train tracks?
What are you talking about?
I'm not even scared of heights at all, but that was literally terrifying because if we miss a step, we would plunge to our death. And it was so long that like, it probably took us like 3 minutes to walk across. If the train came,
if the train came, yeah.
then we would die. And
Basically a stupid idea.
basically, I mean, I feel accomplished. My heart is still racing. It has been 2 minutes since we got off, but. We have reached Aguas Calientes. It's so beautiful. There's like a little river thing. A huge river thing.
Huge.
So I'm pretty starving. I don't know about you guys.
Yes.
And we're just waiting for this vegan food. That looks really good. Well, I haven't seen it, but
And we have time pressure.
we have time pressure because we have 10 minutes. Well,
15.
12.
13.
12 minutes to get back to our hostel because we have a meeting. 9 minutes left, but our food came. Woohoo! Yeet. We got a food Instagram over here. Hard at work capturing this paella. Everyone follow her at
Pizza, pizza.
Yep, and how do you spell that? Just kidding. We have some cute little locks on a bridge. Walking to go find some food for tomorrow because we're stranded all day with no food that we have to provide for ourselves and carry all day.